Welcome back, everybody. So I wasn't going to film this because I don't have any experience in doing anything like this. But I decided I'm going to. Um, I got a little bit of glue on the windshield, and I don't even want to talk about what happened to the rear window. Just a series of unfortunate events. But I am going to film this because I want to replace the rear window, and I'm not really sure on how to do that. I've seen videos on acetate and everything, but I don't have any of that. What I did have from my local hobby store was this. When I got these fine sandpapers came packed in, which was a square piece of plastic, and this. And what I did is I just cut it in half and stuck it in there from behind and discovered, whoops, voila, a back window. So I'm going to cut along the seams there, because as far as I can see, if I just cut along exactly where the edges are, it'll be a perfect fit for my mirror. What are the odds of that? Not for my mirror, for my window. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. As they say, necessity is the mother of invention, right? So I did spend way too much time looking all around the house looking for something to replace that rear window with. So I'm just gonna take my heavy duty knife here, which doesn't seem to be, there we go. Did it? Made it through that. I'll make sure we just get the rest of this top. I don't want to really lose much of that. I lost a little bit. All right, let's see if we can get this puppy in there. Yeah, I'm going to just take a second, try to wipe this down. I got the tape trick. There we go. I think I want to use my heavier glue because I'm just not sure if I'm going to make it run over the windshield again if I use the thinner glue. And I don't want that. Someday, when what happened becomes funny, I'll share with you what I did to my rear window. Make sure I get it lined up like it should be. It is thin plastic, so I'm hoping I can get it to meld. Change its shape a little bit without making adhesion too much of a problem. I think I am going to have to use a little, but look at that, huh? Kind of kind of excited about that. Boy, what do you think? I just impressed myself. Okay. All right. Now I got a little tip from Hobby Barn about putting fingernail polish over over my decals on my dashboard to make it look like they're behind glass. So my very kind, lovely wife let me take her clear fingernail polish. Thank you, sweetie. I'm just gonna, just put a little drop there. A little drop there. And a tiny little drop there. Oh yeah. It's looking like glass already.
It'll take a while to dry because it's old.
Oh no. I wasn't expecting that to happen.
What happened?
I don't know what happened to that one. But it dissolved.
Oh. Wow.
The other one's okay. Huh. The other two are okay. That one just dissolved. I'm guessing maybe it wasn't down all the way and the fingernail polish got underneath it. Because the other two are okay. So there was something was different about that single one. Okay, so I'm gonna just clean that out. Isn't that funny? How one did and the other two are fine. Anybody else? Did that ever happen to anybody else? I imagine it must have. It's all just learning the right way. Don't fret. I appreciate the tip. It worked on the other two, so there was something different about that one. I'm guessing it must have been not sealed down all the way. I'm gonna glue in the shifter. That little guy. Move that out of the way. Want to get any mishaps on him. Okay. There you go. That was pretty straightforward. It's gonna paint column here. I'm gonna leave this side clean. That's gonna be mostly glued into the dash. Okay. Got that done. These I switched to my little detail brush here. I'm just going to paint these two knobs there. Alright, so I got my steering wheel to paint. On these cotton swab handles, work great for this too. Same thing, just jam it in there like you do on the wheel backs. And it's on there pretty good, so you can even paint the backside without worrying about it coming off. All right. All right, got the steering wheel all painted. I'll stick that right there. And clean off my brush now. So with these two pieces that are going to go against the firewall, I'm going to paint those. This. And I'm gripping onto the places that I'm going to get glued. Okay, now that one, put that there. Okay, we got our hood ready for gloss, so I'm gonna give that a quick sand. I'm gonna take my 800 grit here and just rough up the paint. Give the gloss something to hang on to. I mentioned it before, but I stay away from the ridges here. It's because it's really easy to sand it, the paint right off of the ridges. All right, got that sanded down now. I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna bring it downstairs with my firewall, my flat black, and got my gloss already down there. And I'll see you downstairs. Hey everybody, all right, we're downstairs now. I've shaken up my gloss. And yeah, let's start glossing up the hood and all the other stuff. All right, I'm gonna do light. I'm gonna bend this over just a tad. All right, that's it for now. And gonna let this dry for a while. I'll put on a second coat, and then, Lord willing, next time I see you, we will get into really assembling everything and be nearing the end. I'm really excited. Thanks everybody. If you like this, if you like what I do here, please click the like button and subscribe, and that would be a huge help, and I appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a good day, and God bless.